Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Campbell's Coins, American Gold Coins, and Popular World Gold Bullion. Were you aware that the gold content and purity varies in many popular bullion coins, bars, and pre-33 coins? In this episode, I'm going to go over those differences and how they could affect you. Coming up. Not all gold coins are pure gold. Some are mixed with copper and other metals, like silver. Even some of the most popular gold coins are mixed with copper and silver. Copper and silver help strengthen the coin from wear and scratches and makes them more durable for handling and use. The following coins are mixed with copper. The Krugerrand is 91.67% gold and 8.33% copper. Most gold coins minted prior to 1950 were made with 90% gold and 10% copper, like the Swiss franc, Mexican peso, and of course, all pre-33 American gold. The American Gold Eagle, the mintage which started in 1986, is 91.67% gold, 3% silver, and 5.33% copper. Let's rewind back because there's a difference with modern bullion coins and pre-1950 gold coins, besides the copper content. If you have an American Gold Eagle or Krugerrand, you'll notice it says the gold content stamped on the coin. I have these 1/10 of an ounce gold American Gold Eagles. It's not a lie, they do have the gold content stamped on the coin, whether it's a 1/10 of an ounce, a 1/4 ounce, a 1/2 ounce, or a full ounce. But they have some copper and silver added, so these coins will weigh more than the weight stamped on the coin. Actually, I'll take that off. I'm going to tear it. Okay. You'll see that it weighs 3.42 grams. A 1/10 of an ounce of any material weighs 3.11 grams. And I will show you that here in just a second. I have a 1/10 of an ounce kookaburra. I know somebody might be yelling at me for this, but I'm taking it out, handling it by its edges. .14 grams. So this kookaburra is a 1/10 of an ounce of gold. It has no other metals mixed into it, so it is pure gold. There's nothing else. It is solid gold. The purity of the American Gold Eagle and Krugerrand is 22 carats. 24 carats is pure gold. Now, you may be a little bit confused by that. Even though both of these coins has a full ounce or a 1/10 of an ounce or a 1/4 ounce, whatever is stamped on the coin, they have a full ounce of 3/9 fine gold within them, but they have other metals mixed in with them, so the purity is no longer 24 carats. It's been dropped down to 22 carats. A pure gold coin or bar, like I said, is 24 carats, and a pure gold coin or bar will weigh the exact amount stamped on the coin or bar because they don't have any additional metals mixed in. Older gold coins are much different. They don't contain any round number amount of gold. For instance, the $2.50 Indian have just over 1/10 of an ounce of gold, 0.1106 troy ounces, and the rest is 10% copper. I discuss pre-33 gold in another video, and it's really important to check out if you're just getting into the coin collecting game, and I will put that right up here in the upper right hand corner of your screen, and you can check that out. As I mentioned before though, copper strengthens the coin as gold is a very soft metal. But there are a couple of downsides to this. The first, sometimes red spots can form on the coin. This is from the copper mixed in. Some pure gold coins can also receive red spots, but this is from being in a mint facility where copper is in the air and small pieces land on the uncovered, freshly minted gold. They then, due to the environment, turn to a reddish color. And I discuss these in another video here. On the other hand, most other coins and bars, especially modern, are pure gold. Like those from the Canadian Mint, Perth Mint, Britannia, Swiss, Austrian, German, Mexican Mint, and of course the American Gold Buffalo coin. There is no added metals in these coins. However, the purity of gold in each coin varies. Some are 3/9 fine, like the Mexican Libertad. Others are 5/9 fine, like this Canadian coin. This just means this Canadian coin has been refined a lot more than the Libertad. Coins and bars with a higher purity of gold are more susceptible to scratches and dings and dents. So why does it all matter to you? Well, knowing this information is very important when it comes to buying gold. Some sellers will sell gold for spot and others will sell for melt. And they'll sell certain coins for each of those prices. Not right now because demand is very high, so there's a premium to everything. However, the difference between these two numbers can be significant, and it is important to know them. Melt price is typically used for pre-33 coins and other world coins that I had mentioned at the beginning of this video. What melt price means is the total gold weight within that coin, that's the price of it. When I mentioned the $20 Liberties at the beginning of this video, those have less than a full ounce of gold in them. So when you are trying to price out something, you're not going to price it out as a full ounce because it's actually less than an ounce of gold. Collectability and everything else comes into play that would push that price higher, but if we were just looking up at a scratched up, cleaned, very common date, pre-33 coin, before all this craziness happened, most retailers were selling them for melt. And knowing the difference between melt and spot is a huge amount. Those pre-33 $20 Liberties have 0.9634 troy ounces of gold in them. That difference in and of itself is a little under a 1/20th of an ounce of gold. So it could be quite significant when it comes to pricing. Spot price is used for modern bullion since these coins or bars contain a full ounce or a half ounce or a quarter ounce or a 1/10th of an ounce of gold. Other than that, it comes down to personal preference and what you like. Stack or collect whatever you want, but do so knowledgeably. If I missed a point and you think it would help others, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Let's educate some people. That's going to do it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.